Hermes, oh, shopaholic strikes again. Shopaholicism strikes again. I thought I could get Hermes out, but I couldn't. Get another installment of shopping, impulse buying, couldn't say no. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then I actually think I might be giving this or something like this away. Not a giveaway, different. We'll get into it. So, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and we are doing a quick Hermes unboxing, double Hermes unboxing, quick Hermes unboxing. One bag, one thing, quick. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Hermes haul. Okay, so these are actually two separate trips, but I'm combining them because I literally have so many videos to post and so much content. And actually I was thinking, like, today is my dad's birthday, would have been my dad's birthday. So that's why I was thinking about, and I'll get into that and what I'm gonna do with this anyway. So we're gonna unbox these and then talk about it, okay? Okay, so really quick, today is my dad's birthday and I wanted to do something that I thought he would appreciate. My dad was very big in, quick backstory, story time, you can fast forward if you want, but please don't. My dad was very big into charity, giving back. He ran a charity for years, for like 20 years, maybe 20-ish years. And every year they have an annual charity auction. So I was thinking, I had just gave one of my Chanel bags that I don't use, don't pull, never open, never touch to a charity auction. And people bid on it and then whoever wins it pays, and that money goes to the charity. So my mom and the committee actually asked me if I had any bags that I wanted to do for our family charity. And so I was like, okay, maybe. That's not why I got this. I got this impulsively. Shopaholic got it anyway, but I thought, why not? Because yes, it's a lot of money, but it's for a good cause and it's donated to the charity. And like, it's not much more than I would have probably, like, I mean, it's not like, it's just another way of donating to the charity. It's short term. Anyway, so that I think I'm moving with this or one of the other ones that I have with this. That there's a few, I have a few of these, and there's like two that I don't use. So they're basically new. The stickers are off, but they're still basically brand new. So I was thinking either that or this one because I kind of actually like this one. And I might swap it out for one of the other ones that I don't actually use because I think I like this more than one of the other ones. Anyway, we'll see. Story time. So as they called me in, I was going in for shopping for something else. I think I actually posted a video about this, but they were like, "Do you want this? We have this. Can I bring it out for you?" I was like, "Of course." I can't. I literally, that's the problem. I have a problem. I cannot say no. I cannot say no to anything. That is the main problem, is that I cannot say no. I am trying to tone it down and trying to, but I couldn't say no. So my essay had it, so I thought, why not get it? They brought it out, I tried it on, and I was like, yes, I'll get it. So that's this one. I'll unbox this. It literally says right there, you know what it is. I mean, you can tell by the size of the box. It's not a mini Kelly, but it is the size of a mini Kelly box, I think, too. It literally says everything right here. Color, serial number, code, color, yeah, everything. Okay, so this. And then I haven't posted this video yet, but I got something. I'm gonna wait. So I got something and then I ended up returning it, which I think I posted a little short about the returning, but I returned it. And in returning, I ended up with credit. So I ended up with a lot of credit. So I got this with the credit. I got two of these with the credit. One for my friend on his Birkin. I got two of these with the credit. One's already, I'll show you. Actually, the code talking is annoying. Okay, so I don't usually like to get these from the US because they're harder to get in the US and also they're more expensive. They're like literally 200. I mean, everything's more expensive, right? But they have them a lot more readily available in Europe, but they didn't have this one. So, and I asked for it, but my essay had it here, so I got it. So it's out in a tube, which is great because I have now 3 tube bags. Evelyn, Lindy, Kelly to go. So I can interchange with all these. And then also I can put this on other bags that aren't a tube to kind of mix and match. And then also I'm getting another tube bag later, which I can't tell you about, but I gotta tell you guys later about it. I have to tell you about it later. I can't tell you about it now. But so this is that. And then I got a second one. So I had credit. I have so much credit now. And I'm trying to use the credit on non-leather to like, so that I buy more in other categories to go towards my next quota bag. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm thinking. That's how I'm planning. That's how I'm, okay, so I have this credit sitting. I might as well repurpose it to other things that I want to get and then use that to hopefully, and then maybe like some of the credit can go towards that once I get off the back, which I'm still waiting. But I'm not greedy and I'm not waiting for it. I'm like, I want it, but like, I don't need it. I am very content with the things that I have so far. This was just an impulse one, but I will get the other ones. So I got one more from my friend. It's already on his bag, which I also stole. It's here. Andrew let me borrow it. Not to use, I'm not using it, although I will eventually use it, but just to film with content and stuff like that. So I have it for right now. This is his Birkin 30 in Togo in Noir. So this is the other one that I got with my credit for him. And he paid me the cost of it. So like so I got that money back, which was nice, instead of using the credit. Makes sense? But the credit's still on my account. So I still spend, it's still in my like total spend. You know what I mean? Okay, anyway, so this one, I don't remember the colors. Oh, I do. That's not it. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't say the colors. Okay. Well, it's like, it's cut off, so it doesn't say the colors. But the colors are, I think it's like sesame and like, no, it's like some sort of brown and darker brown and rouge cellier, I think, are the wings probably. So that's that. And this one, I already unboxed it for TikTok. That's why it's not wrapped, but there's the ribbon. Okay. So this, we got another little munchkin for our munchkin collection. Like I said, I was thinking about either doing this one or one of the other ones. We all know what it is. We all know what it is. We all know what it is. It is a mini of in Caban, which is a really, really dark blue. It can almost look black. It probably looks black in this lighting right now at this time of day. So, but it is dark blue. We'll probably see a little bit more of the blue there. Classic mini Evelyn, loved. Showed it to me the store. It was, I wasn't wearing this. I was wearing something similar that was literally the same color as the bag. So it, like, that kind of convinced me too. And I do love a good dark blue. So I think that I might get more use out of this than like I have bright colored ones. I think I might get more use out of this than one of the bright colored ones. So I was thinking about maybe doing one of the bright colored ones. So that's that. And yeah, and I was thinking I'd just do it because, you know, my dad. And I think you would like that. So yeah, so maybe the yellow one, which I've never, like, I've used like twice. And it has palladium hardware anyway, so. Or I really like the red one, so I'm gonna keep that. Or the rouge cellier one, which I've used both the gold and the rouge cellier one. So I've used the yellow one too. Actually, I've used all three. I just, like, they're like still in perfect condition. I've used them like a handful of times each. And I'll probably end up doing this in these. I love this bag, but I don't actually go for as much because it's just so small. And there are other bags that I like more than this. But I do like this bag. Anyway, I'm like talking myself out of it. I can't help it. Okay. Yeah, so I'll probably be giving one of these to charity. So maybe gonna do this. Oh yeah, it says everything right here too. Okay, so anyway, yeah, so that's that unboxing. That was super quick. I have a Goyard update coming up. I have still some old videos that I really need to get on top of because now they're like getting very old. So I'm gonna try to post those, try to keep up. Again, I'm doing a lot of the TikTok stuff, a lot of the YouTube shorts, so please go check those out. And if you have any comments, leave them in the comments below. And I'm gonna start. I have been behind in replying to comments. I know I'm gonna try to get back to replying on all the comments. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your own exes. I know your time is valuable. I know you're special. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.